We present Hanwha's Smart Factory solution, where you can improve your production condition with an easy, convenient, and efficient way. Let's start with production planning. You can start with our PG editor, where you can create job programs with your computer in the most convenient way possible. Our PG editor supports various templates for jobs. It is easy to use even for a new user and detects typos before the production. It also supports simulated 3D images with the job information to confirm if the program is actually going to make what you wanted. If you programmed your job with PG editor, now we can use our PG Simul for a simulation. It checks for possible production issues or a crash between components and tools before the actual production. With this program, you can forecast issues and correct them before the actual production. It will dramatically save your actual production time. We have PCR3 for the machining stage. This program provides a solution for the chip control. It can improve both your production quality and your working environment. It removes chip troubles by cutting them short. It also reduces the use of cutting oil and minimizes overload on the machines without chip curling issues. It will help you to increase lifetime of your machine tools. The production status can be monitored via Hi-CPS in real time. If there is an issue, the alarm will be immediately sent to the cloud server. This alarm also goes off at the office computer and mobile devices of your workers. It is possible to have a real-time monitoring and action. Reports can be easily shared with Hi-CPS. These can be saved as big data, and you can request Hanwha to conduct a failure analysis. Production-related job data is saved at PG Manager, and the data is connected to PG Editor and Hi-CPS. It helps to have an easier job change with better data accessibility. PG Manager supports an easier tracking of history by accumulating production data to your computer or cloud. You will be able to find the most optimized job program reference by searching the big data collected in this system. Hi-CPS also analyzes productivity to minimize downtime and provides options to maximize production rate. Hi-CPS collects production quantity, defect ratio, operation ratio, and downtime. It also automatically produces daily, weekly, and monthly reports. It also studies operation ratio models by itself to calculate production lead time and schedule. Hanwha's Smart Factory solution covers all the production cycle and supports to create a better production management and condition. Smart Factory starts here at Hanwha.